years old. Our project and it's to test the system. Many events are functioning depending about guiding the system and our culture. Methodology, software implementation, software and hardware specification, software simulation, input and output. Here the methodology, system design and communication using MU CEM flow. The flow goes like this. Components, interface, sensor mapping, shape, system design and implementation flow. Components, interface. We establish the I2C communication bus. Components established. Components interface established. I2C MPU bus.
MPU.
And we used LCD I2C, that is called displaying the text. And general purpose input output is 21 and 22. Sensor mapping defined as threshold value. We used X and Y axis only. The pair is greater than 49 and less than -1. When it breaks, it triggers and respected comments will when exactly in this position, the respected message will be displayed in the LCD. When it triggers less than or greater than the respected like this and like this man, it is 14. It is in the x-axis. When it triggers, the respected message will be displayed in the LCD. It's -12.
change threshold value minus 13.
Minus it is not the sensor. So it range between -12 to so initial point and ending point are fixed. In between how much it varies, the respected it should be applied in the logic implementation and alert message. When it varies, the LCD we get the message like when I wearing gloves and I did x-axis and we defined a hand blinking and a function using its time also ready. We are trying to make it in the blinking or just a constant state. Two axis, that is x and y. You can get x positive and x negative, and y positive and y negative axis. And the message will be displayed in the LCD. It will be continued by the
software implementation of our product core logic structure LED definition digital using GPIO 18 is used to segregate LED GPIO 19 which shows yellow LED and GPIO 23 is assigned for green LED as output through function. MPU 6050
MPU 6050
sensor which is used to detect the sensor which is used to detect the and features which includes forward x-axis acceleration. If x-axis acceleration rate greater than 14 meter, it gives the output need water. If x-axis acceleration less than 12, less than minus 12, it shows the message need washroom, right? When we move the hand into right side, y axis, when y axis acceleration less than 14, it shows the message the speed acceleration.
Guys, इसमें जाके मारने का
And software simulation of our project is includes the SP32, MP6050, LCD display and LEDs. LCD display is used to display the text messages. MP6050 is used to get the addresses. ESP32 is a sensor and LED display. LEDs are used to LEDs are
नेक्स्ट
used
अमित बैच कर
shows the current state and the output of when we start simulation, the output will be displayed like this. When we increase the exact acceleration, it shows the respective action and
G ಏನದು .25 G ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
detects the direction and the angle. To detect the accurate angle of
ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದು ಹೇಳು ಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಂತ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
This is a prototype of our project which includes MP350, NRF 2410 and 9 volt battery and nano board and breadboard and also the gloves. Next part will be continued by Abhishek. Now I am going to explain about the software and hardware requirements we use in our project. First one, hardware specification. These are the components we use in our project. And first one, microcontroller. Microcontroller is in our project. The heart of the system is the ESP32 and which acts as the main processing unit. And its purpose is to reading the sensor data and processing orientation and or movement information and control the visual output. And this ESP32 is very powerful because it has built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and dual core processor. It's make its better for embedded systems. And second one, inertial sensor. We use MPU 6050 for as inertial sensors. This combines both acceleration and velocity. Its function is to detect physical movements, title and physical movements. And the third one, visual output. For better meaningful messages, we use LCD display for our project. We use I2C 16:2 LCD display for our project. We use I2C protocol for which reduces wiring complexity and status indicator. Addition to the LCD, we include three LEDs like red LED, yellow LED, and green LEDs, which provides quick visual status updates and color coded for
color coded for urgency indicator, and for example, green. For example, green LED indicate can normal, and yellow for red for urgency attention, and auxiliary components. Finally, the supporting components like resistor 220 ohms resistor and connecting wires for ensure safe and stable operation. And this resistor provides resistor protects our LEDs of excessive current, and wiring ensures secure connection. And software requirements, we use Walkway online simulation to test our code and circuit without any hardware requirements. And programming is done in Arduino C++ because it is efficient and easy to code. And we use three important key libraries: Adafruit MPU60 to read easily sensors and data motion, and liquid crystal I2C for LCD, and wire dotted essential for I2C communication. And next part will be continued by Goa. Next part is software. Next part is software simulation.
అంతరేజ్లో నేను మెన్షన్
How the output is going to come. So what is MPU 6035 gives the three axes like X, Y and Z. So we are not using Z, but only two axes we are using, that is X and Y. So X and that is up and down, and Y axis we are using it. So first time tilt forward means tilt forward is going up. So it gives the message of need water and respective messages it will give, and it will show the green line in solid. That means this patient is level of this urgency is
Chetan.
status quo.
Chetan
Take
and
backward. Is backward. Second question, and this is the version or next. It shows the red. Means this is some urgency level it includes. Then still right. Indicators means emergency. In case of emergency,
Dhaneshwari.
we can hit right, and visually it will red color bulb will be blinking continuously. It is critical alert. And fourth one is still left. Still left is it shows that there will be on distance, and it shows it's not a any urgency, so it shows yellow light.
వాళ్ళకి ఇష్టమైన మనే ఓకేనా
This is MPU 6050 sensor. Axis of this.
ఈక్వల్ ట్రాక్
X axis. There is some particular range. If that range is crossed beyond the threshold value, then current will be generated as what we have to do. So if it is important, then it shows that the hand is tilted full, then it shows that the hand is working, and y axis is upward. If we show upside, take off or need it. So by the only 4 inches you can make the verbal communication with the non-verbal people, patients like hospital patients. So they can easily communicate with this.